Another way to access and launch commands in AutoCAD is by using the command line. If we look down at the bottom of the screen, the command line is right down here. Now, the command line is considered old school AutoCAD. This is the way we entered our commands in the old days. The main drawback to using the command line today is that everything must be entered through the keyboard, so it involves a lot of typing. Now, the command line's not the most efficient way to work anymore, but it is still functional. Let's try and launch a command. If I want to launch a command, I'm going to come down and click right after the word command, and I'm going to type line. I'm going to launch the line command. I'll hit enter, and I can see that AutoCAD is now saying, you know what, specify first point. Where do you want the first point of your line to be? Now, I don't want to talk about the line command just yet, but I do want to mention that the command line is how AutoCAD speaks to us. This is how AutoCAD tells us what it needs to finish a command. Let me hit escape to cancel this command. Now, as cryptic as the command line is, it's still fairly intuitive. If I wanted to draw a circle, perhaps, I can just type circle and hit enter. I've just launched the circle command. And once again, AutoCAD is communicating with us, saying, hey, this is what I need to create a circle. Once again, I'm going to hit my escape key to cancel the command. Now, there are more efficient ways of launching AutoCAD commands nowadays. In this title, we'll be using the ribbon or the menu browser. And to be honest, Autodesk is slowly phasing out the command line. It's still with us today, but there's no guarantee for how long. If you think about it, how many other applications utilize a command line? Well, none. Pretty much AutoCAD is it. In AutoCAD 2009, there are ways to turn the command line off, but for the purposes of this title, we're going to keep the command line on our screen. We won't be using it for our commands, but we will refer to it frequently to keep an eye on what AutoCAD needs.